FlexiRoam ESim review. Is it worth to use? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll share my own experience of using these eSIM platform. Basically, before using, I recommend you to check, does your phone support this thing? So it could be really easy. If you don't want to interact with some physical SIM cards, you can use FlexiRoam to get your eSIM. So all you need to do is just to download their app from Google Play or App Store. You can find this icon right up here. Then select the necessary plan and data amount you'd like to use, pay for it, and then you can start roaming all the things. So it's worth using. As for me, I was traveling to Europe, and it was really easy to interact with FlexiRoam. So a lot of territory is covered with this platform. It's really good, and a lot of countries support it here, so I definitely recommend you to try to find them. They have a lot of destinations we can use. So as you can see, we can find all the regions, and it could be really safe. What about prices? So I definitely recommend you to compare all the prices with different providers, for example with AirAllo, GigSky, or some other platforms. So according to your country, prices may look a little bit different. So I definitely recommend you to check, because almost all the time coverage is the same, but for example here you can find something cheaper or even maybe better for you, or some countries are available here and not there. So this is the key factor of why should you use like FlexiRoam or maybe some other devices. On the Trustpilot, it was a high marked like 4.8 out of 5. So basically it's really good, and the interaction with this stuff is quite good, nothing hard. Just download the app, use it, and then everything should be okay. So basically that's all for FlexiRoam. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.